The results of the most powerful study spanned over 30 years and 47,000 women on what diet helps women age the best, and it's not high protein. The results of the most powerful study spanned over 30 years and 47,000 women on what diet helps women age the best, and it's not high protein. Did you know that the types of carbohydrates that you eat in your 30s, 40s, and 50s can help determine how well you age? New powerful research determines that high-quality carbohydrates and fiber, not high protein, is the key to healthy aging. A major study followed over 47,000 women over the span of 30 years, and the goal was to find out what type of dietary habits led to better health in older age. There were 3 criteria measured: the ability to stay physically active, mentally sharp, and to remain free from major illnesses. The women who aged the healthiest were not the ones eating high-protein, low-carb diets. They were the women eating whole plant foods, fruits, vegetables, plant starches, and even whole grains and legumes. These foods are high in healthy carbohydrates and fiber. So carbs often get a bad rap, but this research isn't new. It only solidifies what we've known for decades, that all carbs are not the same. We're not talking about the sugary, fatty, processed, refined foods that lead to insulin resistance, premature aging, and disease. We're talking about whole food, high-quality carbohydrates, nature's perfect fuel, wrapped in fiber, loaded with nutrients, rich in hydration, and designed to energize your cells, nourish your brain, and fuel your body the way it's designed to function. These high-quality carbohydrates are best supplied from whole plant foods, such as raw fruits, vegetables, plant starches, such as steamed potatoes, sweet potatoes, and squashes. And these foods are packed with fiber. Fiber in particular plays a huge role in gut health, blood sugar balance, hormone support, and reduction in inflammation. These are all keys and critical for aging gracefully, especially for women. So what about protein? We hear a lot about the need for more protein, but actually most people are over-consuming it, especially from animal sources. So meat and dairy products are completely void of hydration. They contain no carbohydrates and 0 dietary fiber. So when we fill up our plates with more animal foods, we're actually crowding out the very foods like raw fruits, vegetables, plant starches, and even plant-sourced proteins that contain both fiber and carbohydrates and are packed in hydration. All of these are keys to help us stay healthy and youthful as we age. So if you want to age with youthfulness, health, energy, clarity, and strength, here is a simple formula. Don't fear healthy carbs. They are the key to vitality. And let fiber be your friend. It builds your gut microbiome, it balances your hormones, it supports daily elimination of toxins, and it really supports your whole health journey. And finally, if you want to incorporate more plant foods but you're not sure where to start, you can replace your first meal of the day with a raw fruit meal. Pick your favorite fruit and eat a raw fruit meal for your first meal of the day until you feel satisfied. And then, for your last meal of the day, replace half of your dinner plate with your favorite vegetables. You will begin to feel the energizing change. So let's shift the conversation away from the fear of carbs and away from promoting this overconsumption of protein. And instead, let's get back to the truth of the healing and restorative power of the body on whole plant foods. If you found this helpful and you would like to learn more about the benefits of a plant-based diet, go ahead and grab my free guide to plant-based essentials to help heal the gut and rebalance your hormones naturally. These are the same kitchen staples that I use to heal my gut, rebalance my hormones, and restore my gut microbiome during my healing from autoimmune disease nearly 2 decades ago. Go ahead and grab that. I think you'll find that very helpful.